How to turn off background sync for specific apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off background sync for specific apps. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right in. So you can turn off background sync for specific apps through your device system settings. So open up your settings app. After you've opened up your settings, navigate to apps. Sometimes it's known as app and notifications or app management. So navigate there and tap on see all apps if necessary. If you don't see the list of the apps here, tap on see all apps and now find the specific app you want to restrict from the list. So find the app, let's say Duolingo. Now for that, select it, and after you've selected the app, you will then need to tap on its mobile and data users option. And after you're there, you will need to toggle off background data option. And after you've done that, it's basically it. Now alternatively, you can manage background battery uses as well, which often achieves the same goal. For that, go to this section back here. There you'll find app battery uses. Tap on it. From here, you will need to then toggle off this allow background users option. And it's basically that simple. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.